Okay, so this is the final stage here. We're gonna do the transaction. Um, I did this earlier, so it takes a while. So she said, give me a screenshot of every step because there can be no mistakes in the transaction process. Are you ready to start now? And I say, you have to tell me where to start. Start from start from where? Wait for me. Open your Coinlistpro. So this will be coinlistpro.com. That's where you do it. Where you register for that account and where you have your funds already in there waiting for you, so you can do the trading. The one I used was Ethereum. That's the one, and that was waiting for me. I had like $471 in there. So she said, send me screenshots. So I open it up, right? And she puts the mark right there. You go down here. Follow the mark I gave you. Click in and send. And give me a screenshot. So I did that. And she goes up here. The top. Right there. I said I click. I don't see anything. That's the maximum amount of money you click, so you don't have to enter it manually. Screenshot, please. Nothing happens. She says, if you don't show me, I don't know. I said I click all, but nothing happens. Then I send you the screenshot. Okay, she puts this back. You click and the amount is displayed. Before you click, there's no amount displayed. Please pay attention to the details. Wow, now I'm speaking to my mommy. I send the screenshot, but you're still asking me for one. She said, due to my network problems, it has been delayed in receipt. And I said, excuses, lol. Was the transfer successful? All you told me was to click on all. Okay, you are now back to the main page. There is a blue line with the word confirm, but you did not tell me to click on that. So there's where she clicked right there. See? And if you click like this, it would tend to come up, right? Let's see. It doesn't open up. There. Wow. Normally this opens up so you can see what I'm talking about. It gets bigger. Alright. I asked her, how did you get there? Go back to the home page and click where I marked. See right there? This is where it is right there. She clicked. See? Right? That's where you're gonna be. Right there. Okay. So it said go back to the home page and click where I marked you. Okay. Okay, please, you need to say that. Okay, did you see the page I sent you? This is the main page. You go back to the main page now. Click on the place I marked for you and give me a screenshot. Okay, right there. Let me look. Click on the place I marked you. Notice how interesting our English is. Click on the place I marked you instead of saying I marked for you. Singaporean action. English. Singaporean. Okay, so there we are right there. click here to switch. Right there. Right there. Choose the maximum amount. See, right there. See, right there. Okay, now we can go back to the main page. Did you just confirm the transfer? The amount has been successfully transferred. Now we can trade in short-term trades. So this is where she did she had me do like 3 trades. One started out with like $100, another I think 185 and 195 something like that. So I clicked the blue line, then a black box showed me for me to confirm again, and I click confirm. Okay, so she's showing this. Click on the place I marked you. I don't see a mark. Okay, see? This is what she wants. Green here. See it now? Hold on. The screenshot is not working. What happened? Is there something wrong with your computer? The screenshot is not working. Then you are now patiently looking for the reason. Whatever the hell that means. Probably the reason to quit, right? The reason to quit, give up. Hold on, let me find another way. Okay. So I found another way. I can buy up is below. And you saw this line right there. See, I wonder if this could open up. No. Maybe I'll have to reboot for this thing to show well. It's still opening up. I don't have time. I don't have all this time. See, right there. This is where she's right there. And right in there, she had me put in an amount. The first amount was like 100, 100. And that's US dollars. USDT. Right. Enter 100 USDT where I mark right there. Send a screenshot when you're done. Right there. Click to confirm purchase. And this is what comes up. Okay, this shows it right there. Confirmation, it's $100 being traded. And it shows you right there. Trading cycle. 30 seconds. 30 seconds is the cycle. Expected profit. 30% profit. No, that's 20% profit. So that's $20. I earn right there, right? For trading $100, I got a $20 profit, which is not bad. No. $20 for trading 100. She says, now patiently wait for the end of the transaction time and send me a screenshot after the end. Right. Okay. Is it over? No, mother, it is not over. And this is it, what it should look like right here. See, 18 seconds left. Yes. See, She says, see, now here is the time limit displayed. The time displayed. It's like, what, 18 seconds. And this is what they show you here. And then you click this out. Right there. See? It shows $20 earned. This means the transaction is over. Okay, I clicked it. And she shows $20, 20 US dollars profited. So I earned $20. And she asked me to screenshot. Yes, I see that with the $100. Now we move on to the transaction. Next, what screenshot do you want? Okay, one here. There. Right there. So we go back to where we were before. After you click right here, we enter 185 where we had previously entered $100. Okay, confirm to purchase. Then you got the countdown here, right there. Okay, we are patiently waiting for the transaction time to end. After the end, we can see whether it is profitable or not. Right. So it shows plus $37. Right. Now she's back to a new one. Enter 198 here. Up there. See if it's done. Right in there. Click to confirm purchase. Did the purchase succeed? Okay. Yes. Tell me I can close that. So overall, today's market point is very good and relatively stable. It's about $100 in profit, which is, I started with 571 and ended with 471 I started with, and ended up with 562. So that's 29 and 62. That's like $91 profit I gained. See, earned $90, which is a good income. And she pointed out here, you yourself have 471, which is true. So I go from $471 to $562.77. And she says short-term trading is mainly a principal base. The more principal you have, the more time we can operate contracts. And the ratio of return will naturally be different. To achieve higher conditions, you need principal to avoid risk. Okay. I asked her, why did you pick a different dollar amount? And she said here, did you see it? This is just a few seconds of contracts at different times and different rates of return. The higher the contract time, the higher the rate of return, because I planned your capital ahead of time. So each transaction a different dollar amount. Is a 60s contract with a 50% return. Wow, that's a lot of money. So if you invest 100,000, you get 50,000 in return. She said 60% contract with a 50% return. 30-second contract with a 20% return. And she said yes, but operating 60s contract require higher capital to avoid risk. The so-called investment is not 100% guaranteed, but we can minimize the risk. So this is really the end of this, because this is more like small talk along the way. So you see how you go about purchasing of the Coinlistpro website, where you open an account and register. And you can leave your money in there, you can transfer it back to the bank. So I'm gonna end the video right here. Right there. So I have to say it was successful. My first trading came out to like $91.